In the middle of nowhere, Minnesota, sure to be soon under feet of snow, lives the Youngerberg family, who regularly visit each other for a somewhat pleasant, experience.
Hey, Lucas.
Yeah?
You ever wonder why our names sound so funny?
Maybe it's because we don't say 'em enough, Brooklyn. What do you think, Jacob?
Maybe it's because we don't spell them correctly, Lucas. What do you think, Austin?
Well, I thought it was because we didn't say 'em right.
What do you mean by that?
What she means is that maybe we aren't pronouncing 'em correctly. Isn't that right, Austin?
Well, you can call me Broke Line.
No,
Why not?
'cause when we go fishing, I'll get confused.
How's that?
Well, when I catch that 30-pound northern, Austin won't know if I'm talking about you or the fish broke line. Well, I guess you guys can call me Jake up.
But you're shorter than we are.
Sorry, bud. I think we'll continue to call you Jake Ub.
That's okay. I can wait a couple years.
Austin or Austin?
Austin.
Why's that?
Because a ton of tin is greater than a tin of ton.
Okay. Well, how should we pronounce my name?
Lucas.
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 That's my name, don't wear it out.
Well, which one is it?
I suppose I like Lucas.
Why's that?
Because I'd hate for y'all to have to Lucas my Lucas.
Tune in next time to hear Brooklyn say,
You want some pie?
What kind of pie?
Apple, pumpkin, pecan, blueberry, cherry, strawberry, gooseberry, mulberry, any kind of berry, banana cream, you name it, we got it.
I guess you don't have to tune in for that anymore, so, tune in next time for something else.